All right, so we have an update to the EdgePulse down here. This is our oscillator. We have these green and red dots, okay? We also have some alert additions to it. So we have a bullish push alert, a bearish drop alert, possible drop, and possible push. All right, so guys, try the possible pushes and drops, try to give you a heads up on possible reversals or whatever. So how do we use this thing? All right, so here is how I took the paper trade. It was the honestly was the first live test of using this, and I took the paper trade this morning, and it did win. And here is a picture of that. Let's see here. Oh, here it is right here. I'll just put it on the screen real quick so you can see it. And that was the trade right there. The entry, take profit, and stop loss. So I'm just showing you that we actually did test this. And what I did is we get a drop right here, right? This is a 15-minute end cap. Blue is 30 and yellow is 45. Okay, and then the purples are 15s. So I'm looking at the higher time frame, daily and weekly, on another chart, and I noticed that we're rejecting the 15 at the same time. So what do? We wait for the wick of this candle right here, and then we look down here on our EdgePulse, right? And do we get a green dot? Yes, we get a green dot on this candle here. I actually did this on Heikin-Ashi, so I'll show you what it looks like in Heikin-Ashi. Here we go, and we get a green dot right here. This line, this white line, and this other line right here are added confluences. This is a 1 minute midline, and this is a 5 minute midline, this purple one right here. And when they cross, beautiful things happen. So you see how this crossed up like that? That is an added confluence that, okay, we're pushing. So you can have those on, you can have them off. That's just personal preference. I like them, especially for scalping. They really give good entries. But here we get a rejection, wicking of the end cap right here. There it goes. And we get a green dot at the same time that this candle closes. It's on the close. This candle closes right here above our beacon line after wicking the end cap. Influenced with higher time frame zones, it's rejecting the daily or the weekly zone right here. And so I enter the trade on this candle here, and then our risk goes to the bottom of the zone, and then we target a 2-to-1 right there, and then there is the win. Was it 2, 4, 6 minutes later, it actually ends up winning a 2-to-1 risk to reward. And then here came in pre-news sweeps of the high and lows, and then here is the 830 CPI push. As you can tell, if you were to hold this trade, you would have made a boatload of money, but there's no way to know that. You can target previous highs if you want to, especially when you're confluencing off a weekly and daily zone. More than likely, that is actually a swing reversal, which this low right here is the swing reversal. It is tackling the daily and weekly at the same time, and it's hitting a 15-minute, and it has the same confluences right here. So that is how you use the new EdgePulse with the first light beacon. I use a 15-minute, 30 and 45-minute zone on the chart, and then I have another chart where I have the weekly, daily, and 240-minute zones. So that is the new EdgePulse. I hope you enjoy it.